Hello folks, today we'll be talking about the universal membrane theory of physics. What is the universal membrane theory? The universal membrane theory in a nutshell is the idea that everything that we see in the universe and possibly multiverse or omniverse is simply variations on the fabric of everything. The idea is that every phenomenon in existence can be explained by specific vibrations and vibrational interference. For example, magnetism could be explained by a wave resulting from a swirling object. Let me provide a visualization of how this could work. Imagine multiple metal beads suspended inside of jello. Then have multiple bar magnets move across the jello in different directions. What will result is a series of waves that impact each other to create pockets of low or high density at regular intervals. Universal membrane theorists believe that these pockets are what modern quantum physicists call particles. Now, I know this will be difficult to imagine, but if the beads don't exist, but their effect does. Basically, I'm asking you to try and imagine waves that are generated by other waves, creating areas of high and low density. According to universal membrane theory, there are no subatomic particles. Every particle that scientists believes it has discovered has just been a different shape, amplitude, or size of a wave. This provides a number of interesting implications. First, this means that current Einsteinian physics is completely wrong and right about the nature of gravity. The phenomenon known as gravity is explained by universal membrane theory as resulting from an overall depression in the universal membrane, but that depression is caused by a concentration of low-density waves, also known as matter. This means that while gravity is the warping of what we would call space, the concept of space-time is false. Secondly, it means that the current standard model of particle physics is completely irrelevant. As of right now, the standard model can be summed up as a massive soup of obscure particles that often perform functions that don't even make sense to the scientists that made them. From the perspective of a membrane theorist, the standard model doesn't make sense because it is recording every single type of wave collision as something that has immense value to reality as we know it. Finally, universal membrane theory firmly rejects the wave-particle superstate. Given current ideas of the function of quantum phenomena, scientists attempting to mix Einsteinian thought with quantum theories have reached the conclusion that subatomic particles are both a particle and a wave at the same time, and that they, quote, choose which to be only when they are observed. Universal membrane theory rejects this by simply stating that there is no such thing as a subatomic particle in the first place. Personally, in conclusion, I think that the universal membrane theory brings a number of good arguments to the table, but has problems of its own. For example, how is time dilation explained with membrane gravity? We have observed gravity's effect on time and measured its significance using Einsteinian gravity, so clearly there is some merit to the idea of spacetime. Also, if there is no such thing as a particle, then why have some quantum experiments resulted in phenomena that would be expected of particles? Frankly, even though I'm skeptical, I am excited about how close we appear to be getting to a unified theory of physics. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to support the channel. See y'all!